this is our room for today, and we're on a cruise. We're on the 8th floor, and we're going straight to our room. Here's our room for today. Oh, nice room. And there's small TV. This is our bathroom. Wow, nice bathroom. Shower. Here's our cabinet. Hangers and yeah,
Shucks.
put shucks and knife shucks.
How's our room?
Good, and it's small and it has no window.
It doesn't have window. It's